Hey, hi. Imagine you are running your AI agent at your local system without using too much internet. How cool it is, na? Yeah. We are now how we can go to run this one by using Docker at our system. And if you not install, please go and watch my previous video how to install Docker. Firstly, image section, images, and here we are going to search n8n and this section firstly pull it, okay, and wait for downloading. Now we can see n8n is already installed. n8n image is already installed. Let's run this. Just write a port number, okay. Let's wait for downloading. Yeah, it is working. Or let me tell you guys one thing. If you are putting an address, your path, and it is not accepting, so try this one. Just write port name, okay, it will run. To run at our localhost, to go at localhost and set up with your email, password, and when you set up your account, now for this one I will skip here, and this is ready for you. Now you can make your n8n easily.